Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. So we got one, man. We finally got a nice trout. So we went for a walk in wade and we stuck a good one. But unfortunately, when I got back and looked at the footage, there was no audio on the second half of the trip. So I apologize for that, and I did the best I could with the editing and stuff. But all I had was audio from the third-person camera. There's no external mic, and it was kind of windy. So it's not too good. But I did my best. But we got that problem fixed, so that should not happen in the near future. But we caught the fish on this bad boy right here, the MirrOlure She Dog. So I was throwing this bone She Dog. Been throwing it a lot lately, and it's got some battle scars. But that's what we caught the big girl on, and we also caught some other fish on a corky. So anyways, yeah, that's it, and let's get into the video. Go. First fish. God almighty. How are you hitting this, man? How? That is the smallest trout I've ever caught on a corky. This is good bait though right there. It's good big trout bait. Sorry, bro. Go grow. Don't get eaten. Trout are savages, man. That little guy hit the corky. Close to the silver on the rod. She's a little bit bigger than the silver mark on my rod. I think it's a little bit bigger than 25, but it's just so fat. This is why you wait fish. Took my heart, took my heart, took my heart, took my heart forever, forever. Alright guys, so we're here back at the house, and again, I want to apologize for the audio. We got that problem figured out now, so we shouldn't have that problem anymore. But dude, the blow up was crazy. The topwater blow up, and that fish took some good drag. Wish I could have heard it, but oh well. I tried to make the best of it with the editing and stuff, so if it wasn't good, I'm sorry. But anyways, as y'all can tell by the title of the video, you do not need a boat or a kayak to catch some quality fish here in Texas. So go out, do some wading, be careful. If you've never waded before, then go wade with someone. Shuffle your feet. But yeah, man, 4 out of the 5 trout I've caught that were over 25 were from walk and wade spots, so you do not need a boat or a kayak. Today's fish was in probably like 2 feet of water. And yeah, dude, to hit that top water. So fish some skinnier water, shallower water, and you might not get as many bites, but the bites you do get will probably be pretty good. So solid day. We caught like a 21-inch trout, that 25 to 26-inch trout, 21-inch red, and we caught a hard head on a freaking corky. What the heck? And a skipjack, I think. But yeah, so solid. That's all I'm looking for when I go walking wading. I'm just looking for that one good bite, and I was lucky enough to get it today. But if you do get skunked, don't get discouraged. I got skunked the other day going walking wading again, so it happens. So don't let that discourage you. And yeah, man, so that's it. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.